Hello everyone. Since it's a nice cold day today, I figured I'd go ahead and do a cold start video on my 82 Volkswagen Rabbit diesel. It's got the 1.6 in it. It's been a couple months since I started it, so want to go ahead and get it started so the fuel in it doesn't get all gelled up. But I'll also show you some things that you want to look for when you're starting this. When I first purchased this, it was not very easy to start, and I think most of the problem was the glow plugs weren't working properly. So I replaced all those, and I also had this fuse go out on me once. So if you ever have any issues getting your truck to start, you'll probably want to check that fuse, because those go out a lot. So here we go. Hopefully the battery's still charged up. You're going to want to turn your key on, and the battery's dead. So I'm going to have to go get a jump starter real quick. Okay, I've got my jump pack hooked up here, so let's give it a go again. Alright, turn the key on. You'll see those lights pop up, and that yellow one is your glow plugs. So you're going to wait until the light shuts off, because that tells you that your glow plugs are warmed up. Okay, go ahead and push your clutch in and try to start it. And there it went. Let's give it a go again. Okay. Almost. It started up, but it died right away again. Let's try one more time. Yeah, I'm gonna let it charge for a little bit. I'll be right back. Alright, I've given up waiting for this thing to charge it. So I'm gonna try to get this thing started, to jump start it real quick. This thing hasn't been started in a long time either, and it's kind of been a parts truck for my other truck, so I think I've got everything hooked up for it to run, but I guess we'll see. There it is. Now I just gotta find some jumper cables. Obviously, this is a couple days later. The battery was completely dead, and I had to completely recharge it. But it did start right up, and it's running great. Hopefully got all that fuel mixed up and going through there so it won't gum up. I do have a lot of plans for this truck. It's got a lot of rust issues, and clutch needs to be replaced, and the engine leaks a lot of oil. So it will hopefully be a part of a bunch of future videos.